My name is Yelena and I'm here at Venetian Spa in Coral Springs. I'm about to get my next-gen nails done, as well as a secret pedicure. Customer service here is just impeccable. I mean, they even serve you complimentary wine. Who does that? I love it. I always choose Venetian Spa because atmosphere here is just amazing. I feel like I'm being pampered just like a princess. So I got dipping powder on my nails and this beautiful green polish on my toes. And I love it. I love it. The whole experience was just so relaxing.